For 40 years, my mother always threw away eggshells, never realizing they were actually the key to relieving her joint pain, helping her walk lightly and freely again, just like she did in her 30s. Few people realize that fragile eggshells actually contain precious nutrients that help strengthen bones, keep joints flexible, and are especially beneficial for older adults. Today, I'll show you how to turn something most people throw away into a golden secret for joint health. Stay with me until the end of the video. This simple but powerful tip will definitely surprise you. Now let's get started. You only need to prepare about 15 clean eggshells, then wash them thoroughly with water and a little baking soda to remove any egg white residue. Eggshells, something most people throw away, are actually one of the richest natural sources of calcium available right in your kitchen. They contain up to 95% calcium carbonate, a form of calcium that's more easily absorbed than many synthetic supplements, helping to strengthen bones and keep joints flexible in a natural way. Next, place the shells into a pot of boiling water and let them boil for about 10 minutes. This step sterilizes them completely, ensuring absolute safety for later use. Few people know that beyond calcium, eggshells also contain magnesium phosphorus and trace amounts of collagen, all essential nutrients that support strong bones, supple joints, and youthful elastic skin every day. After boiling, remove the eggshells and place them on a tray to dry in the sun until they become crisp. Or if you prefer a faster method, bake them at 120 degrees, about 250 degrees, for 15 minutes until completely dry. And now, I'd love to hear from you. Do you have any natural remedies or daily habits that help keep your joints strong and bones flexible? Maybe it's an old family remedy or a simple morning stretch routine. Share it in the comments. Your tip might just inspire someone else to live healthier and move easier every day. Once the eggshells are completely dry, you'll notice right away just a gentle press, and they'll crumble with a crisp sound, no moisture left at all. That means you're ready to make your natural bone healing powder. The amazing part is that my mother and even my grandparents all experienced real results after just a few weeks of using this remedy. Their joints became more flexible, pain gradually eased, and they felt stronger, lighter, and more active every day. Next, place all the dried shells into a blender and grind them into a fine flour-like powder. Then sift carefully to remove any larger pieces. This step is crucial to make sure the powder dissolves easily and allows your body to absorb the nutrients more effectively. Eggshells are made up of about 95% calcium carbonate, a natural form of calcium that's easier for the body to absorb than most synthetic supplements. The remaining 5% contains over 20 trace minerals, including magnesium, phosphorus, zinc, and iron, all of which help nourish the bones and joints, increase bone density, and support cartilage regeneration, promoting flexibility and overall strength day by day. Scientific studies have shown that our bodies absorb natural minerals from food far more efficiently than from artificial sources. That's why, with just a small spoonful of eggshell powder each day, you're giving your body a pure bioavailable source of nutrients that supports healthy joints, stronger bones, and long-term vitality, all from something as simple as an eggshell. Now comes my favorite part, turning everything into a nourishing blend that helps keep your bones strong and joints flexible every day. Start by grating one fresh apple. Regularly including apples in your diet may help reduce the risk of fractures and maintain bone density and joint mobility over time. Interestingly, apples were often featured in the recipes of Swiss nutritionist Dr. Maximilian Bircher-Benner, the creator of muesli, who believed that fresh fruits and vegetables are nature's best medicine for maintaining strong bones and lasting vitality. Next, finely chop about 2 tablespoons of raisins. These sweet little gems are not just a tasty snack, they're a powerful ally for bone and joint health. Raisins are rich in boron, a trace mineral that helps the body absorb calcium and other key nutrients more effectively, making bones stronger and joints more flexible and smooth in daily movement. Now, in a clean bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of grated apple, 1 teaspoon of eggshell powder, and the chopped raisins. Mix everything well until you get a soft, creamy blend with a light, natural, fruity aroma. This mixture isn't just delicious, it's a natural calcium and nutrient booster that supports healthy bones and supple joints from the inside out. Each morning, just one small spoonful is enough to give your body a gentle boost of energy, calcium, and essential nutrients. With regular use, you may notice your joints feeling more flexible and your body lighter and stronger day by day. Store the powdered eggshell in a cool, dry place. This helps keep it fresh, airy, and safe to use while preserving its natural minerals like calcium and magnesium. The recipe I just shared is a wonderful natural blend that helps nourish strong bones, support cartilage flexibility, ease stiffness, and keep your joints moving comfortably every day. But if you'd like to take it a step further, I have an upgraded version that's not only more flavorful, but also packed with extra nutrients. This extended recipe brings together the goodness of carrot, apple, lemon, orange, and ginger, a refreshing and delicious combination for daily wellness support. This harmonious combination not only helps support natural cleansing and immune health, but also provides a rich source of vitamin C, beta carotene, and powerful antioxidants that may promote radiant skin, flexible joints, and steady daily energy. Carrots are rich in beta carotene, which helps nourish cartilage, support eye health, and maintain joint comfort. Apples and citrus fruits like lemons and oranges are packed with vitamin C, potassium, and magnesium nutrients that support collagen formation, circulation, and antioxidant protection for overall wellness. Ginger, with its natural compound gingerol, adds gentle warmth and may help ease discomfort while promoting better blood flow to the joints, helping you feel more flexible and comfortable each day. To complete this recipe, simply add all the ingredients to a blender. Pour in about 4 cups, 1 quart of water, and blend until smooth. You'll get a bright golden orange mixture with a naturally mild, refreshing aroma. While we're waiting, I'd love to know, where are you watching this video from? Are you at home at work? Or maybe somewhere cozy and far away? Leave a comment below and let me know. It's always such a joy to see everyone connecting and sharing positive energy from all around the world. This special recipe is especially suitable for older adults or anyone who often feels joint stiffness, back discomfort, or muscle tightness. It may help support flexibility, ease everyday tension, and promote a feeling of lightness and vitality from within. Each morning, enjoy 1 glass on an empty stomach. This is when your body absorbs nutrients most efficiently. It can help gently support liver cleansing, strengthen your natural defenses, and give you a positive boost of energy to start the day feeling refreshed and balanced. Store the remaining juice in a glass bottle and keep it refrigerated. You can enjoy it within 2 days to maintain its freshness and full nutritional value. If you make this a daily habit, you may notice your joints feeling more flexible, your body lighter, your digestion smoother, and your mood brighter. Filled with natural energy each morning. Take care of your body each day in the simplest ways. A glass of fresh vegetable juice, a few minutes of gentle movement, or even just a morning smile can make your joints stronger, your spirit lighter, and your golden years feel beautifully effortless. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be used as a substitute for professional medical advice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss any of our simple natural health tips.